Santísima Muerte. This is the Mexican Holy Death, Saint of Death. She is female and she protects. She kills in the name of justice. She brings fortune or misfortune if you cross her. I learned to work with this deity or entity in Mexico City, where I lived for 2 years. She has protected me for a long time. I carried the practice back to the Netherlands, where I reside currently. Basically a very eclectic kind of practice, not for the weak of heart, indeed. I would recommend fully meditating on this entity before you ever start the practice. You have to know exactly what to do if you're capable of following this path.